Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy. Okay, let's go to our calendar and look forward to our signal for today. Today's signal is going to be on silver, and now let's look at its news so we can see where is the overall movement and where the movement is headed for this signal. Okay, so as you can see, the seller side is much more stronger, but the overall movement of the market for the previous week was positive and bullish, and the news are showing bullish movement in Friday as well, but now the seller side is much more stronger. The only thing that we can do is to open up the chart and see what we can do on that and look with a little bit of tactical sight on it. Okay, now that we have the chart, we can see that actually in the previous week the movement was totally bullish, so we have to look for weaknesses in the market so we can actually look for selling trades. Okay, I'm seeing a weak area right here. Let me make it more clear for you. Alright, so in this area we are constantly looking for sell signals, and you can open up your trade whenever you think it suits you, whenever you see weaknesses in the market. So this is our entry area, but we can see that the overall movement of the market in the previous week was pretty bullish, and now that I look at the chart, I see that there is a bearish divergence formed in the market, and it's not popped yet, so it might pop now or in future days, I don't know. But the overall thing that I know that the seller side is much more stronger now, and if we are going to look for sell trades, we have to put our stop loss right here. Let me write it for you. Stop loss, make it red. All right, now let's look for TPs. Actually, I think, yeah, that's it. These two places that I just marked are stronger places that the market has entered money in it. So, and this area at the end is a very strong bullish support for the market. So what we are going to do is that we're going to set up a trade right between this area, and I'm saying it again, you can enter a trade whenever it suits you, whenever you think that the market has given you the signal, so you can enter it. Okay, let's type a TP1. And the up of this area is going to be our second TP. Alright, let's make it a little bit more clear. It's going to be an area of strong support. And as I said, this is an area which you are going to decide that if you want to open up a trade. You can look for weaknesses in the chart or signals so you can open up your sell trade. And yep, I think that's it. Let me draw these for you as well. this is the overall forecast from our academy on this signal. But I still recommend enter this signal or enter the trade whenever you feel it's good to enter this trade. Look for the signals and the weaknesses in the chart. Alright, let me close that. Okay, that's it for this signal. And at the end, I just wanted to say something. For every up, there are downs, and for every down, there are ups. So hold on to the ups so you can fade away the downs. Have a good day. Peace.